Hi everybody, welcome back to MD Fly Fishing. This pulling buzz has been very effective. I've sold actually hundreds and hundreds of them, and some people have said, can you do a video on how to tie it, because I'd like to have a go. So I'm only complying to what people want. It's quite simple to use in any still water. I like to fish it very fast. On one outing to Pennine, I actually caught in excess of 18 fish just on this one fly in a short period of time, fished on a floating line, 14-foot leader. But then again at Ryburn I've fished it 2 at a time or an intermediate and bringing it back on a slow roly-poly or stripping it 12-inch strips. So anyway, as requested, this is how we tie it. It's really simple. So starting off with a size 10 wet hook black thread, 8/0, tie it down short of the hook shank, trim off the excess and then wind it back towards the eye. What we need now is some black peacock feathers, cut off about 9 or 10 strands and then offer the feather fibres up to the hook. Now you can make the tail as long or as short as you wish. I usually make it about 10 to 12 mils in length. By offering it up, you'll be able to gauge off how much is hanging over by the eye, and therefore you can trim it accordingly. Then what we simply do now is tie it down towards the hook shank. Once you've tied it down, leave the thread in position, because now you're going to add some wire. I use 1.5 flexible wire, very easy to twist. Tie it in at the base of the hook and then bring your black thread all the way to the eye. And then using equal turns, rotate the wire around the hook all the way towards the eye. Once you're there, just secure it down, helicopter off the excess, couple of turns, and now you're ready for the next part. Now if you want, you can use some holographic red. I use the red off a famous cookie bag, just as good, costs nothing. About 2 mil thickness, tie it in about 5 mil from the eye, rotate it round 2 times. And then tie it down, and all you simply do then is build up the head and finish off with a whip finish. It's as simple as that. Some of you might have noticed a few straggles of thread as we were building it, but not to worry. Put your fingers over the tail, get yourself a lighter and quickly burn off any excess thread, leaving it nice and ready for some UV. I start off on the head, equally applying UV resin all the way around it, make sure it's nice and smooth, and then I hit it with the ultraviolet light. Once I'm happy with that, I've got a semi-dry brush and I then put that around the body of the fly. Not too thick, because you want these silver ribs to stand out. Again, it's another target point for the fish. You've got the black, you've got the red, you've got the silver, and you've got the tail. And that is a pulling buzzer. Very effective. If you want to learn how to use it, then go through my back catalogue of videos. I'm up to about 235 at the moment. But anyway, as requested, this is a pulling buzzer. I'd like to thank everybody for watching and subscribing. And until next time, I'll catch you later.